Hey guys! Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you about history of Borobudur. So move toward my today's video. Borobudur is located in the Kedu Valley, surrounded by mountains and rice fields. The temple is approximately 40 kilometers northwest of Yogyakarta, a major city in central Java. Visitors to the temple can also visit nearby attractions, such as the Prambanan Temple Complex and the Merapi volcano. Borobudur is a 9th century Mahayana Buddhist temple, located in central Java, Indonesia. The temple was built during the reign of the Sailendra dynasty, between 750 and 850 AD. The exact reasons for the construction of the temple are unknown, but it is believed to have been built to remember the celebration of Buddhism over Hinduism in Indonesia. The construction of Borobudur was an incredible feat, as the temple was built without the use of any kind of cement or mortar. The stone blocks were stacked in interlocking patterns, which helped to make the temple incredibly stable. The temple was constructed on a hill, which was first leveled and then surrounded by a moat. The base of the temple is a square, and each side measures approximately 123 meters. The temple is made up of 3 levels: the base, the middle level, which is a circular platform, and the top level, which is a dome. The temple is decorated with more than 2,600 relief panels and 504 Buddha statues. The relief panels depict scenes from the life of Buddha and Buddhist teachings. The statues are made of stone, and each one is unique. The temple is designed in the form of a mandala, which represents the Buddhist cosmology of the universe. The mandala is a geometric representation of the universe, with the center representing the cosmic axis, and the 4 cardinal directions representing the elements of earth, water, fire, and air. Borobudur remained an important religious site for several centuries after its construction. However, in the 10th century, the temple was abandoned and gradually covered by volcanic ash and jungle vegetation. It was rediscovered in the early 19th century by the British Governor-General of Java, Sir Thomas Stamford Raffles. In the 20th century, Borobudur underwent extensive restoration work to repair damage caused by earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and erosion. The restoration work was carried out in several phases and involved the use of modern techniques to preserve the temple's ancient structure. Today, Borobudur is a significant religious and cultural site for both Buddhists and Indonesians. It is also a symbol of Indonesia's cultural heritage and is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Borobudur is accessible by road and rail from major cities in Java. Visitors to the temple can also stay in nearby hotels and guest houses to explore the surrounding area. The temple is open to visitors every day, from sunrise to sunset. Borobudur is a popular tourist attraction, attracting over 2 million visitors each year. Visitors to the temple can climb to the top level to see the panoramic views of the surrounding countryside. If this video is helpful for you, then like and share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel.